Hello everybody, this is Jacob Nolly with the Graphite Lab. In today's video, I'm going to show you a couple of features in the mobile application that I feel are very important for the technicians, but are often overlooked or skipped past. So the first one here would be the Forms tool. So the Forms tool is really cool because it basically allows, it's the only thing in the process that allows you to stop a technician in their tracks and make sure they're filling stuff out. Some very cool features of it include that you can send forms to customers, you can add photos to forms, you can actually, through API integration, trigger automations based on form responses. And so it's a really cool tool to be able to provide that extra product to your customer. In addition, you can also have like report cards and checklists that you can have as an additional deliverable to customers, which is always a good thing. The thing that we find most often is that if people do not require forms on jobs based on certain things, they are not ever filled out. So requiring forms and then making sure that you're checking what you expect with your technicians is super important. The second biggest feature that we often find is really cool is the present tool. So here you have the present tool with estimates. Oftentimes what technicians will do is they'll just tell a customer what their estimates are rather than actually showing them. But with estimate templates and proposal templates, the proposals feature inside of here, when you click present, actually presents these items in a really cool, beautiful way that you'd miss out on if you didn't use it. In addition to that, so those are some of the major features that we think are really valuable here at the Graphite Lab and that are often overlooked inside of the mobile application.